welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete your TanTan account. First of all, make sure you have already installed the TanTan app and log into your TanTan account. Let's move to the first step. First of all, click on the TanTan app. On the bottom of the page, you can see three options. Go to your profile. On the top left, with verify your profile, you can see a small setting button. Click on the setting button. Now scroll downward and in the app setting you can see account and security. Here you got three options and the last one is delete your account. When you click on the delete account, you can see the various reasons why you want to delete your account. You can choose any reason why you are going to delete your account. Confirm account deletion. Yes. Confirm and exit. This is how you delete your TanTan account. Thank you.